In this orthokeratology case, the patient's worn lenses for about a month, and we're getting a little bit of undercorrection. And even with the post-wear refraction in place, the patient's only seeing about 20/25. So looking at the post-wear topographies, we can see that the reverse curve is not really completing itself superiorly in the right eye. And the left eye, this lens is moving around, so we're not getting a single treatment zone in that eye. Here are the lenses that the patient's using. And what I would do in this case is make the lenses a little bit larger. I think we can go all the way up to an 11.2 in the right eye, 11.1 in the left eye. That'll help to stabilize and center the lens a little bit better. And then increased open demand. Maybe we can decrease the distance between the OZ and the IC by a couple tenths of a millimeter. And so since we're making a few different changes, the way I would do it is to go into the configuration settings and just design a new lens instead of changing each thing individually. So I think we're at a 6.3. Actually, we need to select a ortho-K lens first. So if we're at 6.3 here, I would drop this down to 6.9. I think the thicknesses were okay as they were, so we'll just use the original values. We add a half diopter to the topo demand. We'll have a 1.75 in the right eye, 11.2. GSIM I think is fine. Can't really see it in this video because of the way the screen's set. I'm gonna uncheck the B box, so leave it empty, and then we'll let Wave do its work. So here's the newly designed lens. You can see we have a little bit of clearance at the back edge of the intermediate curve, but it's not too bad. Everything looks like it's under 20 microns, so I think staying in GSIM will probably be okay for this patient. The refractive cylinder and corneal cylinder don't match up exactly, but there didn't seem to be too much of a cylindrical component to the post-wear refraction, so I don't think at this point we need to make any changes to the periphery in any specific meridians. I would just go with this slightly larger lens, shortened IC, and increased power, and do the same thing for the left eye. For the left eye, I'd make the lens a little bit smaller, maybe 11.1 for the left eye, and see how that works for the patient. So hopefully this is helpful. Best of luck, and thanks for watching.